BB modular homes work for tourism or an office. It depends on your needs. The BB20 fits 2 people, build it in 2 days. The BB40 sleeps 4 and works as a rental, home, office, or cafe. To keep heated floor tiles secure in a home, I'd pick the flexible DXF joint profile. Each strip is 2.5 meters long with PVC sides and a silicone insert in 10 colors. It's easy to fit and it handles temperature swings, won't warp, and blends with grout lines. Making concrete blocks is pretty simple if you use a block mold. Set the mold on a flat, solid surface, like a steel plate. Then, lightly coat the inside with release oil so the concrete won't stick and the edges come out clean. Pour the concrete in slowly so it reaches every corner. Compact it to push out air bubbles, then level the top with a trowel. Let it dry based on the concrete type. Once it's set, unlock the mold and lift the block out, and it's ready to build with. Putting a roof together on the ground and then lifting it into place with a special elevator is a really smart idea. This system was made by a company in New Zealand, and the lift height can be changed to match the house. A 100 square meter roof can go up in just a few hours, so the whole job can be done in one day. Sill System is a premium option for waterproofing flat roofs using thermoplastic polyolefin membranes. This material has been trusted in construction for a long time because it's built to last. It also comes with a warranty of up to 10 years, so you know the quality is checked from production to delivery. Mix expanded clay granules with cement slurry for a light landscaping base, about 700 kilograms per cubic meter. It creates a stable layer that reduces settling on soft soils. It can reinforce bridges, tunnels, roads, and railways. Basically, AX5-GN is a mesh you roll under asphalt. With a bond coat, its 3D grid locks into the mix, cuts cracks and ruts, and can triple fatigue life. In 2017, Russian engineers introduced stay-in-place formwork for concrete slabs. It makes slabs 30% lighter, so you need less concrete and rebar. These aluminum windows come with built-in sound insulation, so your home stays nice and quiet. The glass is 6 millimeters thick, and you can choose either vertical or horizontal styles, so they'll fit pretty much any design. The frame is slim, which gives it a minimalist look. It also arrives ready to install, so there's no need for on-site glazing. Tasu makes building foundations quicker. Each mold is 5 meters long, weighs about 20 kilograms, and has steel reinforcements. With these molds, you can finish a foundation in just one day. The maker now uses low-carbon materials, so they're durable and more eco-friendly. If you need something serious for splitting wood, the Teak Pro is a solid choice. It can handle logs up to 48 millimeters wide and 60 centimeters long, so it's built for real work, not small jobs. It runs on a 13 horsepower engine. The standard version includes a steel saw chain and better lubrication, and it's even nicer if you use vegetable oil.